In my last episode, I shared my incredible experience of watching whale sharks in Oslo. On the way back, I explored the breathtaking Dao and Inambakan waterfalls, and even had a chance to dive with the famous sardine runs at Panaksama beach in Walwal. An incredible magical experience. But the adventure doesn't stop there. In this episode, I'm heading to one of the most iconic natural wonder in Cebu, the Kawasan Falls. And then we are taking a trip up north to the beautiful island of Malapascua, known for its thresher shark dives and amazing macro life. So let's start the journey. Good morning guys, good morning from Walwal. अभी हम जाने वाले हैं खावासन फॉल्स, जो यहाँ का सबसे फेमस कैनियनिंग एक्टिविटीज़ है. नाउ इट इज़ अराउंड 6:30 इन द मॉर्निंग एंड यू सी द सन, इट बिकेम ऑलरेडी सनी. तो यहाँ पे दिन भी काफ़ी अर्ली स्टार्ट होता है. ये स्कूटर मैंने रेंट किया है. दोपहर के अगर 1 बजे बाइक रेंट कर रहे हो तो कल दोपहर की 1 बजे से पहले वापस करना है. तो ऐसे इन लोगों का डे का कैलकुलेशन होता है. तो मैंने पे किया 2000 Filipino peso for 72 hours. Kawasan Falls is in Badian municipality of Cebu Island. It is around 22 kilometers from Walwal.
We reached for Kawasan Canyoneering और ये थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है. We are doing with 4G और जो डिस्टेंस है मोअलबुअल से वो है 22 किलोमीटर्स एंड इट टूक अराउंड 30 मिनट्स टू रीच हियर. तो एक्चुअल रेट है 2100. थोड़ा बहुत बार्गेन किया तो रेट इज़ 2000 नाउ. For 2 person it is 4000, which includes guide and entry fee and everything, and also including lunch and the transport from here to there and while coming back.
Kawasan Canyoneering is a package activity. You cannot do it by yourself. You can just visit the Kawasan Falls by yourself, but that location is different.
तो सबसे पहले होगा ब्रीफिंग. तो दिस इज़ अ ब्रीफिंग एरिया. तो अभी हम पहुंच गए. वहाँ से बस 5 मिनट 10 मिनट का डिस्टेंस है, पर खुद की गाड़ी यहाँ पे हम नहीं लेके आ सकते. तो उन लोगों के मतलब जो लोग ऑर्गेनाइज़र है उनकी जीप में आना पड़ेगा. तो हमारा जो गाइड है वो अभी गए हैं पेमेंट करने के लिए, और यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखा भी हुआ है कि पर हेड 2000 रुपीज़ एंट्रेंस.
Place your important things in your dry bags to avoid damage. If you have any injuries or health conditions, please tell your tour guides for safety assistance.
तो अभी पहुंच गया इस जिप लाइन स्टेशन पे. तो अभी जिप लाइन होने वाला है. लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा एडवेंचर होगा. लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल बी.
Ziplining is not included in the package. You have to pay 750 pesos per head for this. Or alternatively, you can walk for another 30 to 40 minutes to reach the starting point.
ओके सो रीच टू द बॉटम. ऊपर से अराउंड 300 मीटर स्टीप डाउन था और वी आर रेडी फॉर द जंप. एडवेंचर इज़ ऑन. ऑलरेडी 2-3 जंप हो चुका है और आगे भी पता नहीं कितना होने वाला है. तो चलते आगे.
This was the final 10-meter jump. But these are all safe as guides are very professional and taking care of each person of their group.
और फाइनल जो 10 मीटर वाला जंप था वो भी हो गया, बट वी स्टिल डिडंट सी द मेन खवासान वाटरफॉल, वो थोड़ा आगे है, अभी वहीं पे जा रहे हैं और वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा एक्टिविटी होगा शायद, लेट्स सी। Khawasan Falls is a stunning multi-layered waterfall, and right now we are at the top layer. Just look at how incredible it is. We even went behind the cascading water for a bit of adventure and fun.
आगे चलते हैं। So this is the main Khawasan Falls. It's beautiful. Let me show you.
Khawasan Waterfall is a perfect half-day adventure, and you will be in water for most of the time. So pack light, just bring a waterproof camera and few snacks in a dry bag.
You buy coconut?
No, thank you.
No?
No. So this is the white beach. तो हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए आने में, और ये देखो ऑलरेडी सनसेट हो चुका है।
My next destination is Malapascua. Getting there from Cebu City is a bit of a break journey. First I headed to the Cebu North bus terminal to catch a bus to Mayaport, which is the northmost point of the Cebu island. The distance is about 130 kilometers and it took around 5 hours by AC bus. The ticket cost was 320 peso per person. Once I reached Mayaport, I paid an environmental fees of 140 pesos per person. From there, it was a 45 minutes boat ride to Malapascua Island, and the boat ticket cost 200 pesos per person. Malapascua is a small island with population of around 6,000, is known for its unique dive sites and white sandy beaches. Most of the resorts and dive shops are in the south part of the island. The longest beach is called Bounty Beach, is also in the south of the island.
आज मेरा डे 2 है मालापास्कुआ आइलैंड में, और आज मैं यहाँ पे डाइविंग भी किया। तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग आई वेंट फॉर डाइविंग अराउंड 5:30 AM, and it was the famous diving spot Kimut Shaul for thresher shark.
Our dive boat started at 5:30 AM in the morning, and it took 1 hour to reach the dive spot Kimut Shaul. It is a small underwater pinnacle with full of soft corals and small fishes. And after reaching the bottom, immediately we spotted a thresher shark. Usually thresher sharks are very shy and live in deep water. But here they are curious and they like to observe the divers from close. And sometimes very close that it will say hi with its fin. This specific one was with me for more than 5 minutes, and it came back again and again to observe me. They are here not to visit scuba divers. This is a cleaning station for them. The small fishes living in the coral reef eats parasite from their body. In Kimut Shaul, there are absolutely 100% chance of seeing thresher shark in each and every dive. We did 2 dives here and got enough visuals of thresher shark. And our final dive was in Monat Shaul, which was famous for the same reason 5 years back. But there are no threshers now. We have spotted some interesting stuff like octopus, eel and some other creatures I have never seen before.
Now you're all I'm living for. Suddenly, I ask you to mean it to me.
ये यहाँ का फेमस स्ट्रीट फूड एरिया है। तो यहाँ पे आपको सस्ते में वेजिटेरियन नॉन वेजिटेरियन खाना मिल जाएगा। और अगर आपको फ़िश और पोर्क पसंद है तो फिलीपींस आपके लिए एकदम मस्त जगह है। यहाँ पे आप बहुत मतलब अच्छा आपको डिशेस मिल जाएगा फिशेस और पोर्क का। तो मैंने तो अभी तक मतलब खा ही रहा हूँ कंटिन्यूसली। तो दिस इज़ द प्लेस, यू सी दैट ऑल अराउंड देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट्स। आई मीन स्ट्रीट फूड जंक्शन आप बोल सकते हो ये। तो अभी हम डिनर करने के लिए आए हैं। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 9 o'clock और अभी भी मतलब रात 11 बजे तक यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ना कुछ मिल ही जाएगा खाने के लिए।
And these are some exotic dishes I tried during my 3-night stay here in Malapaspua. On day 3, I went on another dive trip. This time to the stunning Gato Island, known for its cave dives and fascinating macro life. We encountered a variety of tiny marine creatures, some just a few millimeters in size. Thanks to our experienced guide, we spotted things I would have easily missed on my own. Here I am sharing a few clips I managed to capture using just my iPhone in a dive case. And the final highlight of the dive is a big white-tip reef shark resting under a rock. We could even see its teeth. On my last day, I explored the northmost part of Malapaspua Island. This area is home to two beautiful beaches, Langup Beach and Lapus Lapus Beach. Although the island is quite small, it's about 2 kilometers from the southern tip to north. I took a quick ride for just 50 pesos. Langup Beach, also known as White Sand Beach. At least in my opinion, the best beach of the island. While Bounty Beach is longer and more popular, Langup Beach is peaceful, with hardly any crowd and no diving boats. You will find just 1 or 2 resorts tucked away here, giving a truly serene vibe. I also came across a local fisherman's village nearby, which added a lovely, authentic touch to the experience.
Okay, so it's time to conclude this episode here. So I dive with Devotion Divers. So there are so many dive shops, you can choose whichever you like. तो यहाँ से आज हम वापस जाएंगे सेबू, फिर सेबू से फ्लाइट लेके हम जाएंगे पुएर्टो प्रिंसेसा। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना और नेक्स्ट एपिसोड के लिए वेट करो, उसमें और ज़्यादा फन होने वाला है। अभी के लिए बाय।